Apple always goes for pair. So this is a definition of full function. So where import this is all the document and put it text. So any issue if you want for that. So any separate expectation from all the way on the so easy on the so back to so all the is done so an issue is for an issue which is mistakes to solve it. So this is the comment is everything. So this is the statistics and this is the issue list. Graph. This should be what is all issue so we have taken just the water so that's not it is so I end up select and I have to so I can so your parameter issue was this. So this is so that means I should this this tennis and this issue it's not exhibiting so so this 27 word is so we have to start on this so this basis so checking the I have to sending the comment so thank you.